In this video, I will show you how to download and install League of Legends, so let's jump straight into it. So to do this, it's actually very easy to do. What you want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to the official website, which is just leagueoflegends.com. Now once you come across to here, you should be presented with a page like this, and what you want to do is just click the play for free button. You can also click play now in the top right hand corner. And once you've done that, that's going to take you across to a page like this. So what you're going to want to do from here is basically you can either enter your email here if you don't have an account. But if you do have an account registered, if you look underneath, it says click to download. So what you want to do is click onto this. And that's going to redirect you to the download page. So you can see by default it says download for Windows. If you are using a Mac, if you look underneath it says download the Mac installer. So what you want to do is click onto the download button, and that's going to start downloading the setup wizard. So you can see that's downloading in the top right hand corner. Once that's finished downloading, what you want to do is basically click onto this to start downloading and installing League of Legends. So on the permission that comes up, you just want to select yes, and then it's going to come up with a window like this. All you want to do is click install. The game itself at the moment is 11.8 gigabytes. So make sure you have got enough space on your system before you go ahead and start installing this. And once you click the install button, what it's going to do is load up the Riot Games launcher. And if you don't have an account with Riot Games, you can go ahead and create one down here at the bottom where it says create account. If you do, just go ahead and log into your account. So I've just entered my details. Once you've done that, click the red arrow underneath. And what it's going to do is going to take you across into the Riot Games launcher, and you can see that's going to start installing on your system down at the bottom. So all you need to do now is wait for that to finish installing, and you'll be able to go ahead and play League of Legends using the Riot Game client. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.